Hey guys, welcome back to more Pokemon Pearl. Last episode we were fighting these guys. Now we are gonna continue fighting these guys. Go Voltdog! He uses an Ice Fang. Oh wow, I'm just having so much bad luck with this. At least I got something good. There we go. There's my Asperberry. Ah, these two Pokemon are annoying. So, let's try this again. And I might have had to hurt somebody if that got me, if that froze me. And there we go. Just beat Floatzel. I want to rock slide me. I'm going to take that as a yes. So yeah, I only have one Pokemon left, actually. Should be able to take him down, though. You can be annoying, it's another Haunter. So we'll try being annoying right back and using the Surf. This battle's taking up like 6 minutes. Tom levels up to 30. And now we just beat them all with Tom. Oh yeah. Tom is awesome. Awesomer than you ever were. So I guess we'll send Bastard on. Even though I was already in first, but do that for... Okay, there's an item there, but it'll be annoying for me to get with no repels. So I guess we'll just fight him. Okay, so time for Team Galactic, and I think I forgot to put Bastard on first. Well, that'll be worth it now. This is gonna be fun. Two really strong Pokemon with really strong attacks that are super effective against each Pokemon. Kill him, but him? Yep. Kinda knew it would. 2 down. And Voltdog begins a level. And now another Zubat. Oh, my stomach's kinda hurting for some reason. And a Croagunk. Never got that ability, Application. So never, like, used a Pokemon with that ability. And we just killed the Croagunk. Okay, sorry if I say killed, I mean fainted, but... Yeah, another Spark will beat this Zubat. Yeah, 4 down. I think 2 to go. A Golbat now, a bit harder. So we'll use a Mean Look, which might be bad in his part. And why would he use it on Lucario? He can't switch anyways, like, really? Team Galactic, that's stupid. No need to answer that, because I know they are. Critical hit, very nice. And this Spark kill, maybe? Let's see. Nope. Paralysis. Force Palm. Won't do it. Yeah, but anyways, you're dead in the first place. Because I just beat you guys. You guys were easier than that double battle I had. I needed 6 Pokemon. Tom levels up. Ha! I feel like crying. Ha ha. Okay, yeah, there we go. So there. He won't take no, so just say yes, but we don't have room, so I'll just wait here, even though he won't be coming back. Or I might get it off, like, later, after game. So here, just go up to this place. I guess we'll get this item over here, since I don't know what else we'll do this episode. Shiny Stone. Be used to evolve Roselia to Roserade. I thought about using one on my team, but nah, I'm short of grass type though, so. So yeah, we're now done with this place. Let's go over these stairs. The Pokemon are fully healed. Now we can go back. Yeah, here we are. Canalive's Pokemon Gym, Leader Byron, the man with the steel body. Here's the library. I think I'll off-screen go and get Blissey Fire Blast or Fire Blast. Well, yeah, I'll do that off-screen. I probably forgot Solar Beam, or no, Fling. Okay, guess I could end this here. See you guys later.